Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So if you want to learn how to make a very rich and effective hair butter that works on virtually any hair type, then just stay glued to this video and learn how I formulated this hair butter. This hair butter is embedded with a lot of rich ingredients that is good for hair growth, hair nutrients, and a darker hair. So you can see over here is my shea butter. Shea butter acts as a sealant for coily and afro texture hair, keeping your hair preciously moisturized inside and out. Aloe vera promotes the scalp of your hair, helps to heal irritation and itchiness, and helps dry patches. Then coconut oil is known for fighting things like dandruff and other hair problems. Castor oil is known for boosting hair growth up to 5 times more than the usual rate. Jojoba oil, this also boosts your hair growth and moisturizes your hair. And honey is also known to be a very good moisturizer. It also helps the hair follicles to be in a very good texture. Cacao oil is known to make the hair look healthy, grow faster, and is good when you mix it with chebe powder. The both of them makes the hair very good, healthy, and grows faster. Over here is my color. I'm making use of oil soluble color. You can use any color of your choice. Then this is my fragrance. You need to add a fragrance so that your hair butter will have a good smell. So let's go straight into the production process. Also, just to let you know that I run online classes on WhatsApp, just in case you need a platform where you can learn how to produce things like this, and also how to make soap, body creams, hair shampoo, the liquid soap, the powder detergent, the organic soap, the bleach. There's a lot of things you will learn at my online class. Just check the description of this video. You'll find the link. Simply click on that link to take you to my class on WhatsApp. Or if you have difficulty going into the class through the link, you can reach me on the phone number I have displayed on the screen of this video to join the class. Just chat me up on WhatsApp through this number and you'll be added to the training group on WhatsApp. So over here I'm making use of a stick blender to mix my ingredients together. That's a stick blender. You can use a whisk or a spatula or a spoon if you don't have a stick blender. But if you have your stick blender, it will make the job faster. So that's the advantage of having a stick blender. It makes these processes faster. But if you don't have a stick blender, you can use a spoon or anything that is at your disposal that can be used for stirring or mixing things together. Also, we have ebooks for sale just in case you need ebook on how to formulate most of these skincare products. If you need an ebook, don't forget to reach me on the number I have displayed on the screen of this video, to chat me up on WhatsApp on how to purchase my ebooks on soap making and other skincare formulations. So I have finished producing the hair butter. I'm going to pour it into their containers to store them. This is a very rich hair cream. You apply it on your hair every morning before you go out for work. It will make your hair stay very healthy. Any stuff like dandruff, lice, any of those hair problems you usually encounter, this hair butter will solve them. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to share it with others that you think will want to know how to produce hair butters at home. You can produce this and start selling. You can produce this and start up a hair butter business and start selling and be making a lot of cash this Xmas period. So thank you for watching, and see you next time on my next video. Goodbye.